What's up, y'all? Welcome to Feel Good Friday. We got another episode of the Cheat Code, and today I want to speak about how to make the right decisions in your life. And I believe this is important because a lot of us struggle making the right decisions in our life, or feeling that we're making the right decisions in our life. And through the proper information and understanding, we can make more empowered decisions over our life and experience a better overall sense of life and things like that. So that's my whole reason for making today's video. So I hope that you gain a lot of information, a lot of wisdom and understanding, and apply it to your life so that you can watch your life change. You can make more confident decisions. You can feel better about your decisions, and you can find alignment in your life, because at the end of the day, that's what life is all about. Life is all about alignment. So the first thing I want to speak about when it comes to being able to make better decisions in your life is, of course, having a vision over your life, having a general understanding of where you actually want to be and where you actually want to go. Because if you don't have that, again, then that means that life is navigating your soul for you, and you want to be navigating your soul for yourself and finding that alignment, right? Because we didn't ask to be here. We didn't ask to be born. We didn't ask to be the skin, the color of our skin. We didn't ask for these things. We were just put here, but we have to find the power within the things that we're able to control. And your vision is always that. What is most aligned with your heart is that. So how to make better decisions? Making sure that your vision is your vision in the first place and not someone else's, not your parents, not society's, not anyone else's, but your vision. So take the time to dedicate yourself to crafting your vision for yourself, all right? Number two is going to be, take the time to determine how you want to feel. How do you want to experience life? How do you want to feel day to day? If you take a lot of time to focus on how you want to feel, things around you help aid you towards that vision. So focusing on what you want to experience in life, again, it's kind of piggybacking off of, your vision, right? Then you have something called, are you suitable for your vision? Are you suitable for your alignment? What does this mean? So if you want to be a six-figure successful entrepreneur, are you putting in the work? Are you aligning your behaviors and your habits, your mindset towards that goal, towards that alignment? Or is it just something that you vaguely want? And with that, you won't necessarily make the correct decisions or align yourself with the correct decisions to get there, because it's not really detailed. It's not really concrete. The more concrete that you get with your vision and how you want to experience life and how you want to feel in life, along with everything that's necessary for you to get there, like reading on your subject, praying on your subject, speaking to others about your subject, educating yourself, and being obsessed with where you want to go, will get you there and will also help you make all the correct decisions to get you there. All right. So yes, this is about alignment. Life is about alignment. So I want you to really understand that. And I hope all that makes sense. Secondly, what I want you to understand is the key to programming yourself subconsciously, right, towards a better life or towards a more aligned life, and giving yourself the ability to make better decisions, comes with understanding what your core values are. I speak a lot about this because this is my North Star. This is a guiding principle for myself in life, is understanding what I value, so that if I'm in a situation that doesn't suit me and it's making me feel negative, I understand why, and I have a reference for me to put myself, I have a reference to, put myself into, right? So if I value family and I'm at the club every night, sleeping with multiple people, drinking and things like that, then my value is also health and wealth and things like that, then it will make sense why I feel negative, and it will make sense why or how I can start crafting a vision that is aligned with my values. Does that make sense? So that is what that is all about. All right. So align yourself in life by understanding your core values. I speak a lot about finding your core values. You can go on the internet, just type in core values, a core value list, and take a peek at all the core values and see what resonates, 3 to 5. Last but not least, what I want to speak about is, of course, with making better decisions, is understanding your upside, understanding what this decision is doing for you, whether it's short term or it's long term, and then understanding what the pitfall is, or the worst case scenario that could be in implementing your decision, right? Short term or long term, right? Me and a piece of paper are best friends. I love to, when I'm making decisions, if it's a long-term decision, I love to get a visual by understanding the pros and the cons, right? Real simple stuff. When it comes to a short-term decision, with you implementing values and understanding the vision over your life and not allowing other people to make decisions for you, decision making will become a lot easier and naturally more aligned with who you are. And you can make authentic decisions and become a much more genuine and a much more authentic person, okay? So that's how you make better decisions. I gave you a lot. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully it makes sense, and hopefully you can take something today and implement it today so that you can see the change in your life, all right? That's what I have here for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.